The hardest part about writing usually isn't the writing. It's getting started. The blank page, the messy ideas, the unfinished drafts sitting forever. That's where Claude AI can completely change your writing process, not by replacing your creativity, by helping you organize it. Subscribe to Claude AI Unlock for daily Claude tips, and let's get into it. Most writers think their biggest problem is writer's block, but usually it's something different. It's not having a repeatable system. You get an idea, write a little, lose momentum, then move on to the next idea. Claude helps fix that. Start by creating a Claude project. Call it something simple like My Writing Hub. This becomes your creative workspace. Inside that project, give Claude the information a real writing partner would need. Your style, your audience, your goals, your preferred tone. For example, maybe you write personal finance articles for younger adults. Your style is honest, practical, and a little sarcastic. Tell Claude that once. Now, every time you brainstorm ideas, create outlines, or improve drafts, Claude already understands what you're trying to create. You're not constantly starting over. You're guiding the process. And here's where this saves a huge amount of time. Most writers lose energy before they even start because they're trying to build the structure. Where does the intro go? What point should come next? How should it end? Instead, give Claude your idea and your goal. Ask it to create the roadmap. For example, I'm writing a blog post about why people struggle to save money. My audience is adults 25 to 40. Create an outline with a strong opening, 5 main sections, and a clear ending. Now, instead of staring at a blank screen, you have a starting point. But Claude's biggest advantage isn't just creating, it's editing. This is where a lot of people miss out. Take something you've already written and ask Claude, where do readers lose interest? How can this opening be stronger? What parts repeat the same idea? Claude can help you see your writing from the reader's perspective, and that's valuable. Because great writing isn't just putting words on a page, it's keeping someone's attention. Now let's talk about consistency. Because finishing one thing is good, building a habit is better. Try this workflow. Once a week, sit down with Claude. Give it your ideas. Create your outlines. Plan your next few pieces of content. Now, when it's time to write, you're not starting from zero. You already have direction. And for bigger projects like books, courses, or guides, this becomes even more powerful. Claude can help you keep track of chapters, ideas, and structure, so the entire project feels connected. And if you get stuck halfway through, paste in what you have and ask, here's my draft so far. Help me find the best ending. Claude can give you options. You still decide the direction. You still add your experience. You still make the final call. AI doesn't replace good writers. It helps good writers finish. Hit the like button if this helped. Drop a comment below. What are you writing right now? Subscribe to Claude AI Unlock for more practical Claude AI workflows. I'll see you tomorrow.